police stations, along with security personnel from bauxite mining company Jamaica, recovered 43 containers of low-sulfur fuel believed to have been stolen from the company. In the joint operation Tuesday morning, 3 cars that were used to transport the stolen items were also seized. Sergeant Dwight Holland, who led the operation, told our news team that about 5 o'clock Tuesday morning, Jamalco security team spotted the cars while patrolling the company's haulage road in a section of Porus called Ramble. They called the police, and when they arrived, the men fled, leaving the cars with the oil behind. 30 of the 43 5-gallon containers were full. Sergeant Holland estimates the black market value of the stolen oil to be over $150,000. Acting Operations Officer for Manchester, Inspector Valdin Amos, adds that the practice of stealing oil from the company has been ongoing for many years.
Our intelligence indicates that these routes are being traversed by criminals involved in the larceny of oil from the bauxite companies and the theft of livestock from our farmers. These targeted operations are therefore designed to disrupt these movements, deter further criminal activities, and protect our national assets and the livelihood of our farming communities.
Still to come this evening, hurricane victims cautioned against squandering grant funding. And in business news, Independent Fiscal Commission warns Jamaica's recovery faces uncertainty due to Hurricane Melissa. We'll be right back.